a lot of people. It's pretty basic, I guess, but it's what I'm comfortable in right now, so that's all. Was over because after classes end, we have a whole week of just study day of our art and design school, so I need to practice that.
I just want to share that I have been reading Verity by Colleen Hoover, and that book got me out of my reading slump. I have only been reading it for a couple of days, and mind you, I barely have time these days to read a novel, but I'm almost halfway through the novel, and it's a really good one. The suspense is there, and I'm kind of anticipating what's more to come. It's kind of I have a few hunches about what's gonna be the ending, but I don't want to spoil myself. I just want to go through the process of reading the book till the end. So yeah, it's good that I'm finding time to read these days because it's getting harder to do that with the business that I am currently in. But yeah, that book is good. So far, so good. So yeah, just want to share. I've been desperately trying to lessen my screen time the past couple of days because I feel like I'm always facing a screen. I mean, when I'm at work, I'm facing my computer screen. When I'm at home, I'm facing my laptop screen because of school stuffs and editing. And on my free time, I'm facing my phone, which is not really a good thing because I feel like I'm gonna develop an eye problem anytime soon if that continues. So I want to spend some of my free time at least reading a physical book because it's one of the things that I can think of that does not include a phone screen or any screen for that matter that gives me entertainment. So I have this book. This one is one of the books that I'm currently reading. Actually, I've been reading this for quite some time already. I've started reading this last year, if not November, December of last year. And I read this alongside You Again, and I've already finished You Again earlier this year. So now I'm currently reading this alongside Verity, but Verity, I'm only reading it through an EPUB. So since I'm lessening my screen time, I wanted to read a physical book, and this is the only physical book that I have that is somehow I haven't read yet. So I am still not halfway through this book. I cannot say that this is not a good book. The premise is interesting, actually. Um, mm, I don't know. It hasn't grown on me yet, and it's not. When I started reading this, it's not something that I cannot put down. So, but let's see. I hope that I can continue reading this book, and I hope that I can enjoy reading it, not just. And I hope that I'm not just gonna read this or finish this just for the sake of finishing a book and, lessening my screen time and all. I wanna enjoy this book, and hopefully I will. But yeah, those are one of my goals lately. So I hope I'm gonna be able to do that.
어디게 현장인데 우리 홍콩에 현장이 시험을 준다.